How to add bio in Discord. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's begin. So once you're in the home page or this interface of Discord, you'll be able to see the various options at the left lower button. So for adding bio in Discord, you need to go through some settings. So as the first step, simply tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and from over here you'll be able to see your profile. Simply tap on profiles option at fourth, and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see about me section. So here is a big text box where you have to enter the information about you. This section is bio and it will be displayed on your profile. So you can add your bio over here. You can type anything and you can tap on save option at the right upper corner and it will be saved. You can go back and check your profile, or whenever other persons see, then they will be able to see the message or the text that you have entered on your bio. So this is how you add bio in Discord. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.